Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to block access to WP content upload for non-images file using .htaccess file in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to restrict access to non-image files in the upload directory. So we are in file manager and then you see .htaccess file. So we are going to add custom code. Right click on it and then click on edit. Now .htaccess file is open and then we are going to add code. Now paste and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see directory path. So you can add your path here. Now you see in this section. So you can add your path and then you see WP content and then you see upload folder. Now you see FilesMatch .php, .pl, py.cgi SQL file, order, allow, deny from all, FilesMatch, and then you see directory tag close. So this is our angle bracket. So you can add file extension according to requirement. So in upload folder, these extension block. So user cannot access these type of files, but here you can add your path. Now you see. So you can see your path here. So copy and then paste here and then click on save changes. Now you see saving .htaccess file and then you see success message. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.